Hey guys, welcome back. Today is the day I am getting my car wrapped. I'm taking it down to PrintLab Wraps in Lakeville, Minnesota. Dennis and the guys there are going to be transforming the look of my car, but to which color? Let's go check it out. So I'm here at PrintLab Wraps in Lakeville, Minnesota, and they're just getting the wrap job started with my car. First day here, they're essentially stripping down the car as much as they need to, taking out the tail lights, taking out the headlights, they're taking out the door panels, taking off the wing mirrors, and giving it a good clean down, top to bottom, to make sure there's no debris or any dirt on the surface. And then maybe later this afternoon, they're gonna start putting the wrap on itself. So let's go check it out. Hey guys, so we're a couple of days into the job now, and I've got to say, I'm just blown away by the attention to detail and the level of effort that the guys at PrintLab Wraps in Lakeville are putting into the job. It's really amazing to watch them work. I mean, there are so many different variables that, they've got to keep their eye on, and the tiniest mistake means you might need to completely take off the wrap on a particular panel and redo it. There's dust, people are walking around and there are cars and trucks going in and out. Any kind of debris or dust underneath the material will show. So they've got to keep the surfaces like spotless basically as they work in between, coming in day to day. It's just really fantastic to watch. Now, some of you have asked already, and I'm sure if you're watching this video and this is the first time you've come across any of my previous videos talking about the wraps for either my car or my friend Mario's car, you may be thinking how much this costs. Well, of course, the simple answer is it depends. Generally speaking, there's kind of a range. You're probably looking at anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000 in that kind of price range, maybe 3 to 4, depending on the material you choose and just how complex the job is. For my 911, you're looking in sort of the $2,500 to $3,500 range, depending on the material you choose. The price doesn't go up significantly with the size of the vehicle, because it's, whether you're doing an SUV or a van versus a sports car, it's really sort of down to the complexity of the design of the car and the different nooks and crannies and contours in the panels. Even though the surface area of a truck is maybe a lot more than a 911, a lot of the panels are pretty straightforward. They're just flat surfaces. So it isn't necessarily going to vary by surface area, but really how fiddly the job is based on the shape of your car. And then, like I say, the type of the material you choose. And that's true whether you talk to PrintLab Wraps or you go elsewhere to other companies that offer a similar kind of service. Now, I'm super excited to see the progress that's been made in the past couple of days. They've been working on some of the other body panels beyond the 2 doors that they finished and the hood on the first day. I think they've done some work on the spoiler, and I'm just really excited to get down there and see what it looks like. And then hopefully in the next few days, the job will be finished. I've got matte black, I think they're matte black, decals to put, or emblems to put on the back of the car. And then I've also got some other surprises in store. I'm really excited. So enough talking, gonna jump in the Cayenne, get down there and see what it looks like. It's always fun and games when Mario.
What do I do?
Hold the joystick, push it forward. Is that it? There you go.
Hey, that's it.
So I'm here at PrintLab and I'm going to pick up my car. Let's go check it out. I am so excited. I love it. That's absolutely amazing. The decals really finish it. That looks great.
Yeah, I think that was a good call. I like those.
That adds a little sport to it.
And then they were able to drop your protective coat in there.
Oh, great.
Yep. So that's fairly subtle.
Oh man. I can't believe all the black that is like kind of there already, like the windows and the...
Under the mirrors.
Yeah.
Kind of the front bumper.
That's right. Yeah, totally. And the clear lights on the side go well with it. And
Yeah.
you're right about the wheels.
Oh, that's my favorite part. Is
Doing the
how it
tail
just all
lights,
stands
marker,
out.
that was a good call too. The kind of black.
Oh, cool. That's so good. That's like perfect for the lights. Thanks, guys.
And the only other
This is what a happy face looks like. Woohoo! I'm so happy with the car. Wow. Well, I was absolutely blown away seeing it inside the shop, but when Dennis pulled it out of the back of the store into the natural sunlight, I was just blown away. It was almost like the color changed slightly, just like that. But Dennis and the guys at PrintLab Wraps, thank you so much for all your hard work. I am so happy with the car. The color just looks beautiful. It's a little bit sort of Mexico blue towards the end of the spectrum of Miami blue. I think it's more Mexico blue than anything. It's been such a fascinating journey watching this whole thing come together. I'm really happy with it. And especially the sort of icing on the cake, the accents that match inside with the blue sports, which will be for sale soon, by the way. You have a Porsche color in mind, you let me know, and we're gonna get them printed, and we're gonna start selling them through autoamateur.com. Whatever color you want, and whether you want it to just be blank, or to say Porsche, or to say Carrera, or Turbo, whatever you want, we're gonna start producing them, which is a pretty exciting little side venture. But wow, what a great journey. I'm so impressed. Now, I've now got to figure out how to clean this thing, because I'm no longer going to be taking it through the touch-free wash anymore. I'm going to have to hand clean it at home most likely, and I've got some special products from Ammo NYC, from Obsessed Garage. I've got some Chemical Guys stuff. I'm going to be trying out a couple of different types of product on the car, make sure it's, you know, nice and clean all the time, and I take good care of the wrap, because I really do want it to last for 2 or 3 years if I keep the car for that long. But I'm also super interested to know what you think. I know a couple of you guessed the right answer. You're at least in the right ballpark with Mexico and Miami blue. A few of you guessed green, orange, red, all colors that I liked. Unfortunately, the wife put the thumbs down on the lizard green. Otherwise, that probably would have been my color. So on to the next stage of the 991 adventure, trying to figure out how to clean this thing, and figuring out what I'm going to do next. Or maybe I leave it alone now. Anyway, we'll see. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for all your comments and your support through this entire journey. It's been loads of fun talking with you about it, and guessing about it, and the whole, you know, backwards and forwards on, you know, style and color and gloss and matte, etc. It's been really, really cool. I'll see you soon. Hope you're all staying safe and well. Take care. Bye. What color is it, Luke?
Blue.
Do you like it?
Let's go inside.
Let's go inside. Adam, what do you think? What color is it? Do you like it, Luke? It's pretty blue. Hey, Daddy will open the door for you. Hang on. What do you think, Adam? You like it too? Come on, buddy.
Wow, Daddy.
You think?
It's pretty neat. It's pretty blue.
It's pretty blue. Let's go, boys. You want to go around the other side, Adam? Yeah. Oh. It's blue. That's right. Come on in.
Good job, Lucky. Well,
And then look, Looky, do you like the color of the clock face?
Blue.
It's blue. That's right, Adam.
Oh, they put on my favorite stripes.